Hello, here I am again with another Superbox issue. Hopefully we can resolve this issue. There's so many issues with this Superbox. It never ends. The gift that keeps on giving. Okay, so this is my issue. I have this Superbox S5, okay? Now when I click on the, when I click on the backup TV, this is what happened when I click on backup TV. I click on backup TV and I get abnormal, one minus abnormal 1. That's not good, okay? So I'm gonna hit the house button. Oh yes, please like and subscribe if we resolve this issue. If we don't, hey, this is just another thing, okay? So what I've tried to do to resolve the issue, I would go into my trash can. This is how you resolve a lot of issues. Click on the backup TV and uninstall the backup TV. It would be so simple if that was all it took. And then after I uninstall it, I just go to the App Store and reinstall the backup TV. So I'm gonna go to the App Store and reinstall it, and let's see what happens. Okay, I reinstall the app. Let's click OK to see what happens. I click on it, it's loading, and I still get the abnormal, -1 abnormal thing. So what we're gonna do is something that I hate to do, but it seems like we gotta do it because it's not working. So all my apps that I have here is about to be obliterated because what I'm about to do is a factory reset. And I'm gonna show you how to do that, okay? Okay, this is how you do a factory reset, but let me warn you, after you do the factory reset, all kinds of things can happen. Like I had my Elite Ultra, which is underneath the S5. After I did a factory reset, it just went to a blue screen, a black screen, and then it went to a blue screen, and it was stuck on that for almost a day. And eventually I just kept on factory resetting it till it finally loaded. So just know, if, like Murphy's Law say, whatever can go wrong will go wrong. But hopefully that's not going to be your issue. Okay, we're going to have good luck on this. So here's how we do the factory reset. Okay, I've already warned you, so I'm just letting you know what the risk can be. You're going to lose everything that you already have. But if you don't have anything, it's all good because your box is not working. And mine's not working properly. So I don't care. I'm going to just go ahead and do it. So what you want to do is hit the 0, period, 0, period, 0, period, 0, period, 0, period, until your box restart, okay? So once it restarts, it's going to do a factory reset. And for those, it's erasing everything. You see that? Erasing everything. And for those of you who haven't programmed your remote, you're going to have to point this remote at the box to make it respond. You should have hit the microphone. I should have mentioned this earlier, and paired your remote by holding the microphone and then holding the OK and the back button at the same time till your remote pairs, okay? That's what we should have done. But now we're doing a factory reset, so let's see how this goes. When you do your factory reset, just know you're going to have to point this remote at the box at all time until you get to the home screen, and you could pair the remote by hitting the mic button and then the OK and the back button at the same time, okay? So always point the remote at the box. Connect to your internet. Find your internet and connect. So you would scroll over to the point at the box, remote at the box, and find your internet and connect to it. But make sure you're pointing the remote at the box, otherwise it will not respond. Now, this is the part where I think people mess up initially. After they put in their password, they go down and they hit next. Hit the back button, get out of here. They go down and they hit next instead of going down to connect. Let me just put some stuff in here. I'm gonna just put in some random stuff. And then hit done. You put in your password, hit done. And what you need to do is you need to scroll down to show and connect. A lot of people do not hit connect. And this is why they're not connected to the internet. And then they hit next. So I'm not gonna connect to the internet. I'm just gonna hit next. And I'm gonna show you what I mean. So I'm gonna just hit next. I'm not connected to the internet. Now on this page, you're gonna just hit the up button to make it 100% pointed at the box. You're gonna hit finish, the OK button. And now you are on your home page on the Superbox, all fresh, brand new, good to go, okay? Now, when I go to the App Store, watch this. Oh, before we go to the App Store, let's program this remote. Hit the microphone button. And it's searching, hit the OK and the back button at the same time. It's gonna flash, pointed at the box. It's paired and it's connected, and you're back on your home screen. So it's gonna make it so much easier at this point. Okay, so now let's look at the App Store and see what we have in the App Store. As you can see, no green guy. And like I said, the number one reason is because we're not connected to the internet. So we hit the internet button and it says no network connected. So you choose a network and you connect to it. Okay. And then we're going to try to see if we get a green guy. So here we go. Connected to my internet. So I'm going to hit the house button. Hit the back button. I'm going to hit the back button. Hit the back button. Hit the back button one more time. Okay, I'm going to download this file here. Okay. But before I download this file, let me check something out. Okay, after you connect to your internet, you should have the green guy in your app store. So go ahead and open up the green guy, the green Android guy in your app store and download the files that you need. Okay, let's see if we can get this backup TV to work. Okay, here comes the moment of truth. Let's see if the backup TV is now working or was it a waste of our time. So let's click on it. Here we go. And we click on it and it's loading and it is a waste of our time. It still says -1 abnormal. So therefore, if you're getting this message, at least I'm saving you some time. Do not do a factory reset. We need to figure out something else that's going on with this box and how to fix it. But factory reset is not the issue. Okay, here's something new that I tried. I hooked my box up to my Wi-Fi extender through a direct connection. And now look at what error message I get when I click on it. So it's giving me this. So now that I'm getting that message, let's try to delete the app and reinstall it again. So I'm gonna go to the trash can, click on it, and uninstall the app and reinstall it through the App Store. And maybe I might have success. I'm gonna go to the App Store and reinstall. Okay, I reinstalled the app. I have it connected to my wireless router. Well, it's not wireless, but it's connected hardwired through the wireless extender. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what happened when I click for it to work. Uh-oh, it looked like we might have Houston. I thought we was in business, but we're not. So I still need to figure out what's going on with that and how to resolve this issue. So if you know how to resolve it, please let the community know, because I don't know at this point. So anyway, like and subscribe, I guess, even though it didn't help, but it did save you some time since you see what I went through. So good luck if you find the issue. Put it in the comments. Bye.